Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G21, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. For me it's right here, the third one from the top. Now this is the default location of the toggles, so I assume for you it should be in the same location. But it could be in a different one, so just look through the pages. Anyway, once you find it, you want to hold the toggle the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you can customize how the mode actually works. So go through the several options that you have right here, like who can call you, what apps can give you some notifications, and also alarms and other interruptions. Now once you have set it up, you can use it in two different ways, either by manually toggling it on from here, like so, or by using it as a schedule mode right here. So if you're planning to use a scheduled one, you just pick one of them. You can create a new one, or you can edit the existing ones. Just make sure that the days of the week are set and start and end time is set to your desire. And from there, make sure that it is toggled on like so. And you don't have to do anything extra. But like I said, for everybody else who's using this manually by toggling it on, once you turn it on, you will then need to also turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more, like I just did. So anyway, that is how you can set it up and to use this mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.